Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and the most beneficent. Allahumma salli wa sallim ala Sayyidina Muhammad. It's Umair Siddiq Salim. First of all, I am very thankful to Amal Academy that provide me this opportunity to create this video. Basically, Amal is a project of American Stanford University of California that helps to develop the skill and mindset for the students to excel in job search and professional. Thankful to Mr. Hasim Anjam who provide me this opportunity to join the Amal. Although he was dropped out, unfortunately. I remember the time when I visited to one of my teachers for recommendation form, and he asked me that, Umair, what do you want to do with your confidence? He said that I already impressed by your performance at stage, but I personally found a lot of weaknesses in myself and try to overcome all those during this fall. Remember the time of interview call and the time of orientation as well at LGS with Sir Saad and I think with Ma'am Aruj, with amazing experience of ice-breaking activities, their juices and the refreshment as well. I never forget the golden words of Sir Saad. He said that listen to others to understand them, not to judge them. I also remember the first day of my fellowship session and the bunk entry of PA and PM and Marshmallow Tower and tug of war, leadership without authority and all the amazing activities of in-person session, and really miss the 3, 2, 1 by Ma'am Navira and Hararirirura by Sir Ahmad. I really miss all those doing in well manner. Then suddenly lockdown came into our lives. Then we shift from in-person session to online sessions. To be very honest, firstly, all the fellows were disappointed. But when we started the classes on Zoom sessions, then we found an amazing experience. A lot of internet issues. I always moved outside from my home to attend the session and normally disconnected up to 50 times in a single session. But I realized that it made my quarantine time memorable for me and for my family as well. Because I always discuss the terms of my PW with my family, that today I have learned this new thing. I am lucky that I meet with amazing personalities of batch 129, especially to lifesavers because they are my circle fellows. All are amazing and doing well in their relevant fields. I want to pay thanks to all and especially to Hafiz Abdul Manan for his amazing participation and efforts that he has done for to all the Amal family, batch 129. At the last but not the least, I am very grateful to beloved mentors, Ma'am Navira and Sir Ahmad. I cannot forget all the inspirations and motivations by your side and will try to use in all the aspects of my life. I strongly recommend it to all the students, those are about to complete their graduation or have done freshly with their graduation, to spend only 3 months in Amal Fellowship to change the perspective of your life. Okay, Allah Hafiz. Remember me in your special prayers.